has been a roller coaster. There was things that I went through that other children probably haven't. A lot of drug use on my mom's side, moving house to house. We almost had our beds taken away because she had a bed note and then she lost her job. So like at one point we almost didn't have beds. A lot of different boyfriends and men. There was a man who was wanted in another state living in my home. My dad knew, and he tried to have talks with me, you know, occasionally to kind of let me know in like a way that a younger me would understand that something bad is going on over there. Definitely not, you know, the average child's life. I have 7 sisters and 3 brothers. Everybody calls me crazy because it's a lot, and they ask me how I deal with it, but I love them all. Things are still kind of rough on my mom's side. She's unemployed. We're living with my grandparents. My sister lives in the living room. Me and my mom share a room. We never have much money. We don't make any more than $15,000 a year, but she's my mom and I love her, and she does try. By no means is it easy, but that doesn't mean that I'm gonna be ungrateful. I think I got through it because of school. I don't want to think about anything that's happening at home. Let me submerge myself into what we're learning. It really was a getaway for me. I did do theater. I was in drama club. I've been doing theater all my life. I liked the way it made my mind run. In my junior year, that's when I found my love for science. And I was like, that's what I want to major in college. And then I sat there and I go, college, how am I going to pay for that? I found out about the Glenn Armentor Paid Forward Scholarship through my school website. I worked on the questions to application. I went back and revised it. Oh, I can make this better, over and over until the exact day that it was due. My school guidance counselor emailed me, and she was like, a message from the Glenn Armentor office. You need to have an interview in Lafayette at whatever time. And I was like, oh my gosh, I was freaking out, and I started crying. I called my boyfriend, and I was like, ah. So they were like, okay, we'll call you by tonight and let you know if you received the scholarship. Actually, my phone was off at the time. We couldn't afford to pay my phone bill. I'm sitting there the whole night, and I'm like, I didn't get it. And I was so upset, and I was like, you know what? I can't be upset because somebody needs that more than me. My dad wakes me up at like 5 in the morning before he's going to work. He was like, you got it. I was like, how do you know? And he showed me, and it was a news article with all the winners' names on it. That day at 3 p.m., Mr. Glenn called me, and he was like, this is Mr. Glenn Armentor. Do you know I'm calling you? And I was like, yeah. Like, it's supposed to be a surprise. It's supposed to be so exciting, and I was excited, but like, I already knew, like, he didn't get to break the news to me, but he really has changed my life because even though I haven't started college yet, I know that this scholarship has helped me a lot. I know that it's gonna keep me out of a lot of debt. He's helping me in a way that my family couldn't. He's just such an incredible person, and I hope he can pursue his dream of going national with this and helping more students like myself. I think that everything I've been through has made me a stronger person because I know what it's like to be without. I know that even though you are without, it's gonna be okay. My plan after I graduate college is to come back and help my family, because why would I go on and succeed and leave them behind after they're the whole reason that I'm here?